Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be cooking some chicken wings in my 6-quart duo Instant Pot, but it's not even plugged in because I'm going to be using my Mealthy Crisplid as an air fryer to air fry these chicken wings. I have a couple videos where I make chicken wings in my Instant Pot, cooking them under pressure and then transferring to the oven to crisp under the broiler, but once I got an air fryer, I found that I preferred just straight air fried wings rather than pressure cooking them first. Air fried wings are one of our favorites around here, so I cook them quite often. I usually cook them in my Cosori air fryer. I use a cook time that I got from thisoldgal.com, and it is 25 minutes at 380 degrees and then bump up the temperature to 400 and cook for 5 more minutes. So that is the time and temperature I'm going to be using with my Crisplid to see if I get the same results. I will be opening up the pot and flipping the wings in the middle of the 25-minute cook time. First thing I'm going to do is spray the basket with some avocado oil. I'm just using my Misto. And I did want to mention that I'm using the deep basket from the Mealthy company. It's an add-on that you can get for the Crisplid. It's just a little bit deeper than the original basket that comes with it, and it has these nice handles. I'll put a link down below to where you can find it if you're interested in looking for it. It runs about $15. Now I'm going to put my wings in here and I'm going to try to keep them in a single layer as much as possible. We'll see if all of these fit. I am not putting any seasoning on at this point because we always love to dunk them in buffalo sauce as soon as they're finished, and that provides as much seasoning as is needed. And the ratio I use for the sauce is just 1 part butter, 1 part Frank's Red Hot sauce. Melt the butter, mix it up, and it's absolutely delicious. So this basket fit almost 1 1/4 pounds of chicken wings. Placing my Mealthy Crisplid on and putting the handle down. I'm going to cook at 380. Well, I guess this one you can only go down in 25-degree increments. So now that I think about it, I'm just going to go ahead and do 400 for 30 minutes and flip them halfway through, and we'll see where we're at. Start. All right, we've been going for about 15 minutes, and let's get these flipped over. They're looking pretty nice and crispy already. That's great. Not sticking to the basket, which is also great. While the wings are finishing up, I'm going to make the buffalo sauce. For this amount of wings, I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of butter and a 1/4 cup of the Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm going to melt the butter first because if you try to microwave the Frank's Red Hot sauce, it splatters a lot. It's not impossible, you just have to cover it, but I just prefer melting the butter first. You can make the sauce spicier by just adding more Frank's Red Hot sauce. You could do like a 1 part butter, 2 part Frank's Red Hot sauce, and it'll be a lot spicier. And that's all there is to making delicious and authentic buffalo sauce. Here is the finished product, and I can already tell they're going to be delicious. This looks just as good as I get from my countertop air fryer, so no complaints whatsoever. It looks like the 400 degrees for 30 minutes worked perfectly, so I will keep with that cook time. Now I'm just going to toss these in the sauce and they will be ready to go. And you can hear, I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear that they are very, very crispy. They look perfect. And I will definitely stick with the 400 degrees for 30 minutes cook time and temperature. That worked out really well. So that's it from me today. Let me know if there's anything else you'd love to see cooked in the Instant Pot with the Crisplid. Talk to you again real soon.